New Voicebox destroys ElevenLabs. I'm not even joking. There is a brand new voice cloning tool called Voicebox. It just dropped. It's completely free. It runs on your computer, no cloud, no subscription, and it might just end ElevenLabs for good. Today, I'm going to show you exactly what it does, how it works, and why this changes everything. Stick around because this one is wild. So here's the deal. For years, if you wanted good voice cloning, you had one real option, ElevenLabs. It sounded great, but you needed a subscription, credits, plans, upgrades, and the worst part, all your voice data goes to the cloud, someone else's server. You don't own it, you don't control it. That's just how it worked until now. Voicebox just came out and it flips the whole thing on its head. This is an open source, local first voice cloning app. You download it, you install it, and everything runs right on your machine. Your voice data never leaves your computer, ever. No cloud, no API limits, no surprise restrictions. It's free and it's real. Now, here's where it gets crazy. Voicebox is powered by something called Qwen 3 TTS. This is a brand new text-to-speech model made by Alibaba. And this thing is insane. It can clone a voice from just 3 seconds of audio. 3 seconds, that's it. You give it a tiny clip of someone talking, and it can copy that voice almost perfectly. The latency is about 97 milliseconds. That's basically real time. And the voice quality, it's right up there with the big mainstream tools. We're talking natural, smooth, human sounding speech. Not robotic, not weird, just clean. And because Qwen 3 TTS is open source with an Apache 2.0 license, you can use it for commercial stuff too. That means if you're a creator, a business owner, an agency, whatever, you can use this in your work legally for free. That's a massive deal. But Voicebox isn't just a voice cloning button. This is where it gets really interesting, right? It comes with something called the Stories Editor. Think of it like a mini recording studio built right into the app. It's got a multi-track timeline, like a DAW. If you've ever used GarageBand or Audacity, you'll get it right away. You can lay out different voices on different tracks, build full conversations, make podcasts, create audiobooks, all inside this one free tool. No need to bounce between 5 different apps anymore. It also has built-in recording and transcription. You can record your mic right inside Voicebox, and it auto-transcribes what you say using Whisper. So you talk, it writes it down, and then you can turn that text into any voice you want. That's a full workflow in one app. Record, transcribe, clone, edit, export, done. Now let me break down the features so you can see exactly what you're getting. First, voice cloning from seconds of audio. You upload a short clip, could be 3 seconds, could be 10. Voicebox listens to it and creates a voice profile. Then you type whatever you want and it speaks in that voice, simple as that. Second, local text to speech. Everything runs on your machine. If you've got a Mac with Apple Silicon, it uses metal acceleration, so it's fast. If you're on Windows with a decent GPU, same deal, no internet needed, no waiting on servers, just you and your computer. Third, the Stories Editor. This is the thing that makes Voicebox more than just another TTS tool. You get a full timeline, multiple tracks, you can drag clips around, layer voices, build scenes. It's like having a voice production studio on your desktop for free. Fourth, REST API and local integration. If you're a developer or you like to automate things, Voicebox has a local API. You can plug it into your apps, your workflows, your pipelines. Some people are already hooking it up to Comfy UI for automated voice cloning workflows. The possibilities here are huge. Fifth, privacy. This is a big one. Nothing goes to the cloud. Your voice samples stay on your device. Your generated audio stays on your device. In a world where data privacy matters more every day, this is a real advantage. You're not trusting some company with your voice, you own it all. Now let's talk about the elephant in the room. How does Voicebox actually compare to ElevenLabs? Open source, Voicebox yes, ElevenLabs no, local use, Voicebox yes, ElevenLabs is mostly cloud. Voice cloning, both can do it. Multi-track editor, Voicebox has a full one. ElevenLabs has some editing, but nothing like this. Privacy. Voicebox keeps everything local. ElevenLabs sends your data to the cloud. Look, I'm not saying ElevenLabs is bad. It's a great product. But when you can get this level of quality for free, running on your own machine with full privacy and an open source license, that's hard to ignore. That's a real threat to the subscription model. Now, if you're watching this and thinking this is exactly the kind of AI tool I need to level up my business, I want to tell you about the AI Profit Boardroom. This is the best place to learn how to use tools like Voicebox to automate your workflows and get more customers. If you want to know how to plug free AI voice tools into your business and actually make them work for you, the AI Profit Boardroom is where you need to be. Link is in the description. Check it out. All right, let's keep going. Let me show you how to actually get started with Voicebox. Step 1, go to the Voicebox GitHub page or their official site. They have installers for both Mac and Windows. Download the one for your system and install it. Takes a couple minutes. Step 2, open it up and create a voice profile. You just need a short audio clip, record yourself, or use any audio file you have. A few seconds is enough. Voicebox will analyze it and build a profile. Step 3, type in whatever text you want, hit generate, and boom. It speaks in that voice. The quality is seriously impressive for a free local tool. Step 4, open the stories editor. This is where the magic happens. You can take that generated audio, drop it on a timeline, add more voices, layer them, adjust timing, and build a full production, podcasts, voiceovers, dialogue scenes, whatever you need. Step 5, export. You get your final audio file and you're done. No watermarks, no limits, no upgrade to pro pop-ups, just your audio. Now let me give you some tips. If you're on a Mac with M1, M2, M3, or M4 chips, Voicebox runs really well because of metal acceleration. If you're on Windows, having a decent GPU helps a lot. The community on Reddit has been sharing hardware benchmarks and tips. So if you want to optimize performance, check out the local ElevenLabs subreddit. Tons of good info there. Also, if you're into automation, look into the Comfy UI nodes for Qwen 3 TTS. People are building full voice cloning pipelines that run automatically. You feed in text, it clones voices, generates audio, and outputs finished files, all without touching a button. That's next level. Here's why I think this matters so much. We're at a point where open source AI tools are catching up to the big mainstream ones. Fast voice cloning used to be locked behind subscriptions and cloud platforms. Now you can do it on your laptop for free. That's a shift, a big one, and it's happening right now. For creators, this means you can make content with professional quality voices without any restrictions. For businesses, this means you can build voice features into your products without relying on someone else's platform. For anyone who cares about privacy, this means your voice stays yours. Is Voicebox perfect? No, it's early. Version 0.1, there will be bugs, there will be rough edges, but the foundation is solid. And the fact that it's open source means the community will keep making it better, fast. So is this the end of cloud TTS dominance? I don't know, but I do know that Voicebox just made the competition a whole lot tougher for ElevenLabs and every other cloud voice service out there.